Welcome! Today I'll show you how to log SIM card with SIM pin into a Honor 20E. First of all, open your settings and find security and location option. Security and privacy, sorry, this one. Then scroll down, click to more settings, and here go into encryption and crew details. Then first option in the list will be set up SIM card lock. Then choose your SIM card, and for locking SIM card with SIM pin, need click here to switcher to turn on this option. Now need to enter your pin, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, and click OK. And now we block our SIM card with SIM pin. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.